buddies, welcome back to another video of Cooking with G-Muffin. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Kings Hawaiian pizza spider bread. Now cue that intro.
What's up YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
In this recipe, you are going to need a Kings Hawaiian round bread, pizza sauce, cheese, like always, and a green pepper. I'll get to that later. Then obviously you need Halloween decorations. Next step, we'll preheat the oven to 350. Next, you will have to get the round bread and then cut a small hole into it. But for safety needs, you might need a parent right next to you watching you. Some cheese. I got two cheeses. I got cheddar and mozzarella. Let's go ahead and use the mozzarella. Now you put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Next, we're going to cut up the green pepper. And remember, you are going to need parents to watch you when you're dealing with sharp objects. Next, get a butter knife and create slits for the peppers to go in. Next, you're going to add a little cream cheese on there to put the eyes on, so it can stick. And there you guys have it, our Kings Hawaiian pizza spider bread. And if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell for notification button. And remember, life's an adventure. Who you going on with?